Do you want to make a difference? Do you want to create positive and lasting change within your community? Now more than ever in these challenging times, there are opportunities to get involved in our parks and libraries, with children and seniors, through the arts or the environment. With one call, one click, or one meeting, your business or nonprofit organization can give and get involved through the Fairfax County Office of Public-Private Partnerships. It all starts here with OP3.
OP3 is the Office of Public-Private Partnerships in Fairfax County. It was reconfigured in 2008 to focus on catalyzing new partnerships, engaging new partnerships with the private sector, businesses, nonprofit organizations to address county priorities and community needs.
OP3 creates opportunities for corporate and individual investments that expand Fairfax County's ability to provide services like medical care for children, recreation for seniors, music in our parks, financial literacy for families, and environmental restoration around our roads. Public-private partnerships produce benefits for Fairfax County residents and for business, raising corporate visibility, connecting employees to the community, and opening new business opportunities. When CSC moved their headquarters to Fairfax County, OP3 played a vital role facilitating their partnership with Fairfax County Department of Neighborhood and Community Services, serving the Kingsley neighborhood just down the street from their new corporate home.
CSC stepped up in the midst of very trying economic times for the county. We were having to look at shutting down some of our computer learning centers countywide, and was able to come forward with a strong financial commitment that allowed us to keep Kingsley open and also allowed us to shift resources to where we could keep multiple computer learning centers open during very trying economic challenges.
We guaranteed a 3-year program that would allow Kingsley Commons to stay fully funded with staff and their different programs. So from a financial point of view, it keeps them funded for 3 years. But then over the next 2 years, we'll spend more time, in addition to the funding, to really get involved, to really help these students go to that next level in the engineering fields, in the science fields, technology, because they're our future.
OP3 was also instrumental in creating a partnership between the Rotary Club of Tyson's Corner and the Fairfax County Park Foundation. The partnership helps fund the Arts in the Parks concert series, where children are introduced to live entertainment, giving them the opportunity to enjoy the outdoors and forge an enduring connection with the arts and parks.
The Arts in the Parks program, and in fact all the summer concerts that are run by the Park Authority, are funded entirely by donations. And without Tyson's Rotary and other generous donors, we would not be able to provide this concert series, which is attended by 200,000 Fairfax residents each year.
The Rotary Club of Tyson's Corner subscribes to the motto, "Service above self," and they provide a wide variety of services to individuals in the county who are in need of a helping hand.
6 Rotary Clubs of Fairfax County got together, they collaborated and got support and funding from the Rotary District 7610 to sponsor the Students on Suspension program. This program enables us to help youth who not to fall further behind academically when they've been faced with disciplinary action.
We actively are also involved with Pemmon Hills Senior Center, as well as the Alzheimer's Day Center. We're also actively involved with the Fairfax County Fire and Rescue with delivering new coats, a toy drive, to help during the holiday seasons where those families don't have an opportunity of giving back to their children. So we address needs as we see fit within the Fairfax County Chamber, and it was definitely through the Office of Partnerships that helped us identify those needs.
OP3 leverages the resources of the public and private sectors to help create a brighter future for our community. With one call, one click, or one meeting, you can find a way to get involved as a corporate or individual citizen with a one-time project or donation, or in an ongoing partnership.
We help county agencies do more because there are limits to what our own county staff, what our own space in our county, and what our budgets can do. So by bringing in new resources, whether it's donations of funds, writing checks, volunteering hours and expertise, or offering your facility and space for things, we can leverage the public dollars and maximize the outcomes to do what we might not otherwise be able to do for the citizens of Fairfax.
So when you want to make a difference through a central resource where new strategies are developed and new ideas are born, where you can impact the economic well-being of individuals and families, improve the environment, and enrich the arts and culture of Fairfax County, give and get involved. It all starts here with OP3, the Office of Public-Private Partnerships.
For more information on how you can give and get involved through OP3, call 703-324-5171 or log on to our websites at fairfaxcounty.gov/partnerships or at fairfaxcountypartnerships.org.